Hey, Justin here with Dalinghaus Construction. When's the last time you thought about your crawl space? Probably never, and that's the problem. A neglected crawl space can lead to serious issues: sagging floors, mold, pests, and even structural damage. In this video, we're breaking down the most common crawl space problems, why quick fixes don't usually work, and the professional solutions that protect your home long term. So let's crawl into your home, metaphorically, and figure out what's really going on down there. Your crawl space might be out of sight, but it should never be out of mind. Ignoring it can create a domino effect of moisture, mold, and structural issues that travel upward into your home. Let's look at the top 5 crawl space problems we see across Southern California. Number 1 is excess moisture in standing water. Water under your home is never normal. Whether it's from poor drainage, plumbing leaks, or groundwater seepage, standing water causes wood rot, weakens beams, and creates the perfect breeding ground for mold. Over time, it can lead to foundation settlement and cracks. Number 2 is mold and mildew growth. Up to 40% of the air in your home comes from your crawl space. So if it's moldy down there, you're breathing that air in every single day. That's why musty odors, allergies, and poor indoor air quality often start below your feet. Number 3 is pest infestations. A damp crawl space is like a 5-star hotel for pests. Termites, rodents, and cockroaches love it. Rodents chew through electrical wires, creating fire hazards, and termites silently eat away at your wooden structure. Number 4, sagging floors and weak structure. If your floors feel soft or uneven, the problem could be moisture damage in your crawl space. Rotten joists and falling supports can cause visible sagging and put stress on the entire foundation. Number 5 is high humidity and poor insulation. Humidity from your crawl space rises into your home, making it feel damp and uncomfortable. Poor insulation leads to higher energy bills, condensation, and even more moisture problems. The good news? None of these problems are permanent, as long as you take the right approach. Why traditional fixes fail? A lot of homeowners try to tackle crawl space problems themselves, and most end up frustrated. Here's why the common quick fixes don't usually last. Temporary vapor barriers. That thin plastic sheet you find at the hardware store, it's not enough. Loose vapor barriers only cover part of your crawl space and leave gaps for moisture to sneak through. Basic dehumidifiers. A store-bought dehumidifier might help a little bit, but it's not designed for large crawl spaces. Most can't handle continuous moisture levels or provide real humidity control. DIY structural fixes. Honestly, we've seen it all. Homeowners stacking cinder blocks under beams or nailing in scrap wood as support. It's unsafe and temporary. The real solution is a professional foundation repair using helical piers, push piers, or sister joists, systems that are designed to actually stabilize the structure and prevent future settlement. If you're putting a band-aid on your crawl space, it's gonna fail eventually. Lasting repairs start with solving the root cause, not just covering the symptoms. Expert-backed solutions for long-term health. Now, let's talk about what actually works. These are the Dalinghaus approved solutions that create a dry, healthy, and stable crawl space. Number 1 is full crawl space encapsulation. Encapsulation is the gold standard for moisture control. We seal the entire area, walls, floors, and supports with a heavy-duty vapor barrier. This stops ground moisture and eliminates musty odors and protects your foundation from mold and rot. Advanced dehumidification and ventilation. Once it's sealed, we install a high-performance dehumidifier to control the humidity year-round. It keeps the crawl space dry, regulates temperature, and improves the air quality in your home. Foundation and structural repairs. If moisture damage has already weakened your crawl space, we install supports and piers to lift and stabilize your home. Helical or push piers reach deep, stable soils, stopping movement permanently. Polyurethane foam injection. For settlement or uneven floors, polyurethane foam can lift and stabilize the foundation from below. It's quick, clean, and cures in minutes. Drainage and sump pump systems. Even with encapsulation, you need a plan for future water. A sump pump and drainage system ensure that your water intrusion gets redirected and pumped out before it can cause damage. These aren't short-term repairs. Each of these systems is designed to protect your foundation for decades. Take action, get your crawl space evaluated. Your crawl space might be out of sight, but it should never be out of mind. Moisture, mold, and structural issues don't just stay beneath your home, they affect your air quality, your floors, and even your energy bills. If you've noticed any musty smells, uneven floors, or pests, it's time for a professional crawlspace evaluation. Our team here at Dalinghaus Construction specializes in long-term crawlspace repairs, from encapsulations and dehumidifiers to full foundation stabilization. And the best part? The inspection is completely free. Don't wait until your crawlspace problems turn into foundation damage. Schedule your free inspection today and let us keep your home safe, dry, and stable. I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction. Thanks for watching, and remember, never settle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.